ऐसे एडिट करते ना ऊपर जाके एकदम ऐसे लगना चाहिए कि यू आर प्रोफेशनल्स।
अभी ट्राई करके देखो। रेडी 1 2 3 स्टार्ट।
रसययो राजकुमार रे रसययो राज।
Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Rahul.
और मैं विनय। कैसे हो आप सब? As promised last week, we are back here on our channel. Thank you so much for all your wishes that you comment. I saw your all comments. Thank you so much for that. Today Rahul have like a song to show me, and we are gonna react on it. What song is that?
It's a song called Rasaya Yaro. It's sung by Bhadra Rajin and Sudeep Palanad, and it's like a mix of like folk and like typical Kalampata song. Kalampata song, you know, like in movies and all, you might have seen people will throw like with powder on the floor.
Rangoli.
Yes. So in Kerala, it's like a traditional song. So it's like a mix of both. And it's from the tagline, if you see, the video, it's written as a storyteller. It means that she's trying to like tell a story. Yeah. So yeah. So this song, like 2 months back when I first heard, it was in TikTok. It got famous in TikTok. And then I searched and found the song, but it was really nice. You won't understand a bit, but it's like very nice. Music wise, it's very nice. Huge appreciation that they have seen. I thought that you should see this song and you will really enjoy it.
I'm so excited to see.
Okay,
Let's
so
start.
yeah, let's start. Let's see this song.
రసయ్యయ్యో రాజ రసయ్యారో రాజకుమారగ రసయ్యయ్యో రాజ రసయ్యారో రాజకుమారగ రసయ్యయ్యో రాజ రసయ్యారో రాజకుమారగ రసయ్యయ్యో రాజ రసయ్యారో రాజకుమారగ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳ್ಳೋ ನಾರಗ ಮುಳ್ಳೋ ಶೇಷಂಬಗ ಮಮ ನಾರಗ ತೋವೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳ್ಳೋ ನಾರಗ ಮುಳ್ಳೋ ಶೇಷಂಬಗ ಮಮ ನಾರಗ ತೋವೋ ರಾಸಯ್ಯಯ್ಯೋ ರಾಜ ರಾಸಯ್ಯಾರೋ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರಗ ರಾಸಯ್ಯಯ್ಯೋ ರಾಜ ರಾಸಯ್ಯಾರೋ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರಗ ರಾಸಯ್ಯಯ್ಯೋ ರಾಜ ರಾಸಯ್ಯಾರೋ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರಗ ರಾಸಯ್ಯಯ್ಯೋ ರಾಜ ರಾಸಯ್ಯಾರೋ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರಗ
That sudden change was nice. And this is the only part where he's singing. Rest of it is
ಕುತ್ತುಳ್ಳುಗುಳಾಗುದಿರಿಯ ನೋಡಾಲಿಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ದಾರಿಗ ನನ್ನನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನ ನೀಳೆ ಕುತ್ತುಳ್ಳುಗುಳಾಗುದಿರಿಯ ನೋಡಾಲಿಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಆ ಆ ಕುತ್ತುಳ್ಳುಗುಳಾಗುದಿರಿಯ ನೋಡಾಲಿಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ದಾರಿಗ ನನ್ನನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನ ನೀಳೆ കുത്തുള്ളുകുളകുതിരിയ നോടാലില്ലിനെ ദേശം താഴോ രാജ ദേശം താഴാഴോ രാജകുമാരക ദേശം താഴോ രാജ ദേശം താഴാഴോ രാജകുമാരക രാസയ്യയ്യോ രാജ രാസയ്യാരോ രാജകുമാരക രാസയ്യയ്യോ രാജ രാസയ്യാരോ രാജകുമാരക.
It's like very difficult to catch meaning,
Really, I'm not feeling anything.
but the music is fantastic.
ಲಲ್ಲಕ್ಕ ಲೋಡಿವ ನಾರದ ಹಾ ಹಾ ಲಲ್ಲಕ್ಕ ಲೋಡಿವ ನಾರದ
So easily she's
ನಾರದ ಹೇ ಹೇ ದಾನಾರೋ ಓ ಗಣ್ಣೆ ಯಾರಾರೋ ಓ ಗಣ್ಣೆ ದಾನಾರೋ ಓ ಗಣ್ಣೆ ಯಾರಾರೋ ಓ ಗಣ್ಣೆ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕೆಕ್ಕುಗನಲ್ಲ ಶೇಷಂಬಗ ಮಮ ದಾರಗ ತೋವೋ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕೆಕ್ಕುಗನಲ್ಲ ಶೇಷಂಬಗ ಮಮ ನಾರಗ ತೋವೋ ದೇಶಂ ತಾಳೋ ರಾಜ ದೇಶಂ ತಾಳಾರೋ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರಗ ದೇಶಂ ತಾಳೋ ರಾಜ ದೇಶಂ ತಾಳಾರೋ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರಗ ರಾಸಯ್ಯಯ್ಯೋ ರಾಜ ರಾಸಯ್ಯಾರೋ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರಗ రసయ్యయ్యో రాజ రసయ్యారో రాజకుమారగా
Nice, no?
రసయ్యయ్యో రాజ రసయ్యారో రాజకుమారగా రసయ్యయ్యో రాజ రసయ్యారో రాజకుమారగా రసయ్యయ్యో రాజ రసయ్యారో
The
రాజకుమారగా
guy in the
రసయ్యయ్యో
guitar,
రాజ రసయ్యారో రాజకుమారగా
he is also
రసయ్యయ్యో రాజ
and one
రసయ్యారో
more person.
రాజకుమారగా రసయ్యయ్యో రాజ రసయ్యారో రాజకుమారగా
Nice, यार.
अभी बोलो कैसा है?
अच्छा है, समझ तो नहीं आ रहा है कुछ, या इट वाज नाइस.
Nice,
या
Musical wise.
हाँ, बहुत सही. मुझे बहुत सुनो, समझ नहीं आ रहा था बट आई वाज एंजॉयिंग द सॉन्ग.
If you have seen this video in YouTube, the comments which people have written under it, it's like most of the comments have come from outside Kerala.
Okay.
Maybe in the abroad also people have commented. And what they have said is like this music, no, it's got stuck in your mind, and even though they didn't understand anything, but they enjoyed it really well. And some people have really changed the ringtone of their phones.
तो कैसे लगा दोस्तों आपको ये रसैया राजकुमारा? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग आवर वीडियो. Let's meet with a new video next time. Till the time, stay home, stay safe, and take care. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so
Goodbye.
much, guys.